I'm rewatching Follow That Bird, a Sesame Street movie. Came out 39 years ago, back in 85. How Big Bird had a fantasy sequence dream. He thought he was getting adopted by his own kind, look-alike, and really tall and yellow. The social service bird agent tricked Big Bird. Big Bird landed in Ocean View, Illinois, living with dodo birds. New foster family. Why Big Bird ran away from his new living situation. Didn't have much in common. Different bird species. Big Bird liked Sesame Street a lot better than this one. What's your theory about that?